Hey artist, today we are drawing eyes. Grab your pencil and draw with me. I am going to give you a tip, so watch till the end. I am using mechanical pencil of 0.7mm and 0.5mm. You also need a blending stump and a eraser. First of all, draw 3 circles of equal size in a straight line. After drawing the circles, add a curved line for the eyelid. You need to make it thick with the sharp ending. Now draw the thin line for the lower eyelids. Now draw a big circle for the iris. Before shading, leave a little spot inside the iris. It makes the eyes more shiny and full of life. Now start shading. Remember that the upper side of the iris is much darker than the lower. Now use blending stamps for blending. Now draw small eyelashes. We are making it simple, so you don't need to add more details. Draw eyebrows to make it more cute.